BLACK+DECKER.
So that's the charging station?
Yes.
So how does it
It
work?
sits on there.
Okay.
And it charges.
So that's plugged in over there, I see.
Yep.
And so how you make it work?
Then I take it,
Oh, wow, look at
put
that.
it up, pull the hair off of
All
it.
right, let's go get some dirt. What are you
On
gonna?
the sofa.
Maybe we should turn a light on. That's it? What did you press? Okay, so this is the on and off button.
Yep.
Go ahead, press it. What's that?
I think that pops that off.
Oh, or is that like a, what does it say?
Filter.
Oh, okay, so that pops that off. Okay. So get that one there. That's working pretty good. That's a BLACK+DECKER?
Yep.
All right, turn it off for a second. Let's see. Let's see. Now, okay, show me how. Let me see how you. Show me how you empty it. It's filled with stuff. Let's go empty it. All right, so we got to empty this. Wait a minute, hang on.
It's not dark. It's your eyes.
All right, so I got this. So you're gonna press.
You don't have to hold your thumb.
What, what about the thing up here? You said you pressed.
That's for the other. That's to take the filter.
So you have to squeeze these things.
Yeah.
All right, now how do you get the dirt out of it? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's how you do it. Now we figured it out. So you press that, and
It's
then
got
that
this
comes
filter, which is nice.
out. Can you pull it out?
Yeah, I can. I just.
Oh, there we go. Now dump all that junk out. That was on your carpet. Okay, now let's see how you put it back together.
Then I just put that in.
Okay, that's in.
Pop it in.
Then we got to put it on here, right?
Then it goes. See, it goes in here.
Let me see. Okay, so that thing goes in that hole.
Just slides.
Oh,
Pops.
bam. And then this pops on
And this
like
just-
that. And then let's turn on, see if it sucks better. Let me feel it. Go ahead. Let's go this way. Yeah, that works pretty good.
It's a little 16-volt lithium.
Nice. All right.